Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to learn something different and something which is really important because it's on our perspective. Okay, talking about perspective is basically the art where you can difference between near and far objects. Okay, now the whole thing of perspective here is we are making a city. Okay, but a city inside a circle. Or you can say buildings inside a circle, but how it going to be happening or how it will look, that we are going to figure it out. Now just giving an example for you guys, if you stand in front of a railway track, okay, at the point where you are standing it is broader, but if you see the far distance it will keep on going narrow, right? Similarly, now if I am standing in the circumference of a building down, and if I just look at top, I will feel that the whole thing is going narrower like this. Similarly, if I am seeing an aeroplane right now, which is in front of me, that will be huge. But when it goes away above on the sky, it becomes small. So we are going to start with our topic for today. The topic is 1 point perspective, city in a circle. Okay, so let's begin with the first step. Now, it's a very important thing. If you have a rounder, you can use rounder. If you have any utensil which is of circular shape, you can use that. It depends on you in what paper, what size of paper you are making. I am going to use a simple utensil which has a circle shape and trace the circle around it. Let's go to the second step. Once you finished with the first step of making a circle, now if you have used the rounder, it is actually helpful for you for the second step. But if you did not use, now is a step where you have to choose the center of the circle. Now choose, I mean literally you have to make a decision where is the center of the circle and point it over there. Now we are going to make lines which will go across the point and the circle. Okay, so keep on making lines, like different lines, because all buildings are of different shapes and sizes. Once we finish that, this is the important step. Now you have to imagine different shapes of buildings and how they look. Some are narrower, some are going upward like this, like a triangle. Buildings have various different shapes. Some are broader, some are narrower. Similarly, now using those lines, we are going to make buildings around inside the circle. But remember, we are not going to reach till the center of the circle, because the center of the circle should be a sky. Okay, so let's go ahead and make the. Perfect, the building thing is done. Now, simplest thing of all, we are going to outline it with black sketch pen. Now start using any materials, any colors, any watercolors, crayons, whatever you have at home, and just start coloring. So here we go. We got our city inside a circle. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Keep watching. Do subscribe my channel.